We'll sing and dance, we'll laugh and play, and learn our colors all the way.
March, march, here we go. Colors coming row by row. Oh, red is the color of apple, so sweet. A fire truck rushing down the street. Strawberries, roses, a bright red hat. Can you find something red like that? Oranges, carrots, and marigold flowers. Sunsets glowing in the evening hours. Pumpkins big and tigers too. Say it loud, orange for you. Orange for you. Oranges, carrots, and marigold flowers. Sunsets glowing in the evening hours. Pumpkins big and tigers too. Say it loud, orange for you. Orange for you. Oh, yellow is sunshine in the sky. Bananas and chicks walking by. Lemon juice on a summer day. Yellow's bright in every way.
Yellow every day.
Green is grass and green is trees. Wiggly frogs and buzzing bees. Peas and leaves and turtle shells. Green is everywhere nature dwells.
Nature dwells.
Blue is the sky and the deep blue sea. Jeans and whales and blueberries. Rainy clouds and a bright blue kite. Blue feels calm and just right.
Just right.
Purple is grapes and royal things. Magic wands and fairy wings. Plums so juicy, lavender too. Purple is a dreamy hue.
Dreamy hue.
A black and white are side by side, like pandas where both colors hide. Zebras running, chessboards neat. Black and white make patterns sweet. Patterns sweet. Red and orange, yellow and green. Blue and purple, what a scene. Black and white march in with pride. Colors are fun, far and wide. So wave your flags and shout hooray. We love colors every day. Color parade, let's all sing and celebrate.